Wow, karibu. Thank you. Thank you for purchasing this course, Master Hair Creation in Blender. The first thing that I want to tell you is that English is my third language, so throughout this course you may find a lot of grammatical error, but ignore them. Stick to the content of this course on how to master hair creation in Blender. My name is Wakisa Aston, and in this course we are going to be creating different hairstyle in Blender from beginner stage up to advanced stage. And this course is GeoNode based course. We are going to be differentiating between particle hair system versus GeoNode hair system, study and analyze reference, hair flow, and all direction of hair growth, study and analyze reference, hairstyles, node setup for different hairstyles. Then we are going to be making hairstyles, facial hair. Lastly, we are going to learn how to transfer hairstyle from one character to another or from one brain file to another. So let's begin. Let's make hair in Blender.